This tutorial will show you how to use the visuals to video feature. So first, you'll want to select the files that you want to use to build up your video. This can be either videos or images. So you can click either one. So I'm gonna select in my computer. Gonna go ahead and select 3 videos and 1 image as well. I'm gonna upload. It's gonna take a second to upload all of the files. And once this is done, I'm gonna hit proceed. And now you can hit your you can select your aspect ratio for video. So for my video, I'm gonna select the 69 landscape one. And now it's gonna create the storyboard for your video. So now that this is complete, as you can see, each of our videos are in their own scenes. And the image that we imported is its own scene as well. So it kinda just breaks your video up into whatever you uploaded, which is nice. If you get to this window and you suddenly realize you actually don't want to have this tree, you want to switch it out, you can still go to the library and look up whatever you'd like for some more shots. Okay. Just go ahead and replace this picture with this video. For vice versa, I could replace one of the videos with just an image. So I wanted to do that. Filter down to images. Let's say I like this marble right here. I could just change it to that right, so you're free to edit your video from this point as you'd like. As we've shown in other tutorials as well, you can edit the background music, the voiceover. You can record a voiceover right into the video. You can edit the style of the video as well if you want it to add text on top of these pictures or even on top of the video. You could edit the way this text appears, and you could always edit the formatting as well. So from this point, if you are happy with how this video was turning out, which, by the way, you can also replace the video with your own uploads. Or with just a texture. So you could just have, like, a pattern background or a solid color. But if you are satisfied with your final product, from this point forward, you could save your video. You could preview your video, which would kinda show you, so far what it looks like. So for ours, it would be this. This is the first video we put in. This is the background that we put in. And then video start as well. So that's the preview. And then you can generate a couple of different things. You can generate the entire video, like the preheat just shown. You can generate a spreadsheet of posts where each post will be on its individual Excel line. And that way it's easy to kind of schedule out your posting, or you can actually also generate a social video post direct to Hootsuite where you can post to all your social media accounts. So let's say if I can generate a regular video, I would actually have a couple of options for how to export that video further. So let's just give it a second to generate. Something else that's great about the Hootsuite option that you're able to add kind of a little paragraph either before your main caption, and you can also pick right input for you, which days you want it to post about what time. So, it kinda saves you the process, and then it'll get listed right onto your Hootsuite account. So it is really handy. But we're gonna still wait for this to finish generating. Something else to remember is that you can always use the brand settings to import your branding. It'll show logo on your video automatically. It'll show specific type of font and text color and track on everything. That way, you don't have to apply it to every video under the chowing. Great. So now that the video has been generated, you'll see a couple different options for it to do next. So you can download the video directly onto your laptop. You can copy a shareable link or you can share, which will actually be shared through Vimeo. So this is a great way to kind of share videos easily as well. You can see this is the video that you generated, but now it's available on Vimeo. So it's easily shareable. You also downloaded straight from Vimeo as well. So if you send it to anyone else, they'll have easy access to this video. But as you can see, there's a couple other ways. Also just get a copy link and this will send the video to the person that you wish to send it to. So those are just a couple of the options for what to do. With the video being generated, and also as always, it'll be saved under your project. So hopefully this was helpful.